Hello students, welcome back to the class. Hope you all are fine. Today is part 4 of accounting principles. We have studied three basic assumptions, three principles of accounting, and today we will discuss two more principles of accounting. The first principle is historical cost principle. Historical cost means the cost at which an asset is purchased. उसको बोलते हैं historical cost. So according to this principle, an asset is recorded in the books of account at its original cost, comprising cost of acquisition and all other expenditure incurred for making the asset ready to use. So this principle has now two aspects. First, that the asset will be recorded original cost. Market values की vary कर रही है, that doesn't matter. We will record the asset at the original cost, historical cost जितने में हमने purchase किया है, at the cost at which we have purchased. And what does this original cost include? Original cost means the cost of acquisition, the purchase cost, as well as all the expenditures like installation cost, transportation cost, first क्या कहते हैं run cost, every cost that is incurred for making the asset ready to use. जब तक आप उसको यूज़ नहीं करो तब तक की सारी कॉस्ट उस ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट में इंक्लूड होगी एंड उसी कॉस्ट पे एसेट को रिकॉर्ड किया जाएगा. This cost becomes the basis for all subsequent accounting transactions for the asset. Since the acquisition cost relates to past, it is referred to historical cost. आगे जितने भी transactions हम करेंगे, depreciation करें या कुछ भी करें, that will be based on this cost only. And because ये past में से related रहेगी, इसलिए उसको हम historical cost भी बोलते हैं. Let's take an example. Machinery purchased for 1,50,000 in cash, in 20,000 was spent on installation of machinery. So the cost of machinery will be 1,70,000. 1,50,000 की मशीनरी खरीदी, 20,000 आपने इंस्टॉलेशन पे खर्च किया, तो कॉस्ट जो है दैट विल बी रिकॉर्डेड 1,70,000. ठीक है ना. एंड जो डिप्रिसिएशन बिल चार्ज होगा दैट विल बी ऑल्सो ऑन दिस कॉस्ट. नाउ इफ द मार्केट वैल्यू ऑफ मशीनरी ड्यू टू इन्फ्लेशन हैज गॉन अप टू 2 lakh, even then we will not record the increased value. जितने में परचेज किया it will be recorded on that cost only, and systematically by time year after year we will reduce the value by charging depreciation, and जो assets हैं वो reduce balance पे show होती रहेंगी. ठीक है. बट जो रिकॉर्डिंग होगी दैट विल बी ऑन हिस्टोरिकल कॉस्ट ओनली. उसी पे हम आगे कैलकुलेशंस करेंगे. मार्केट वैल्यू हैज नथिंग टू डू विद द कॉस्ट. दिस वाज द historical cost principle. This is applicable to all the fixed assets that we keep in business for using for multiple years that are not purchased for resale purpose. On all those assets, historical cost principle will be applicable. Next is dual aspect principle. Dual means two, aspect means faces. हिंदी में बोले तो दो पहलू. Everything has two phases. Every coin has two phases, head and tail. Every action has equal and opposite reaction, Newton's third law. And the same applies in accounts as well. According to this principle, every business transaction has two aspects, a debit and a credit of equal amount. In other words, for every debit there is a credit of equal amount in one or more accounts, and vice versa. एक अकाउंट डेबिट हो रहा है अगर 10,000 से, तो एक और अकाउंट क्रेडिट हो रहा होगा 10,000 से, या 2 या 3 अकाउंट क्रेडिट हो होंगे, द टोटल विल बी 10,000 होंगे. जितने का डेबिट हो रहा है उतने का क्रेडिट होगा. मल्टीपल अकाउंट्स कैन बी अफेक्टेड बट द अमाउंट वुड बी बैलेंस्ड, एंड इट फॉर्म्स द वेरी बेस ऑफ अकाउंटिंग विच इज कॉल्ड डबल एंट्री सिस्टम. द सिस्टम ऑफ रिकॉर्डिंग ट्रांजेक्शन बेस्ड ऑन दिस प्रिंसिपल इज कॉल्ड डबल एंट्री सिस्टम. Like if you are purchasing furniture, we will not just write that we have got furniture of 10,000. We will have to record two aspects. Furniture came into business for 10,000, but the cash went out of business for 10,000. Every transaction will have two aspects, one debit and one credit. Due to this principle, the two sides of balance sheet are always equal, and the following accounting equation will always hold good at any point of time, that asset are equals to liabilities plus capital. That means that property purchased by a business is always equals to the amount invested by the owner himself plus the loans taken by him from outside. So Ram started business with cash of 1 lakh rupees. It increases cash in asset side and capital in liability side by 1 lakh. So asset हमारी रहेंगी 1 lakh और capital रहेगी 1 lakh. There is no liability. Equation tally करिए. Basically हर ट्रांजेक्शन में यही इफेक्ट आएगा कि जो एसेट्स हैं दैट विल बी इक्वल टू लाइबिलिटीज प्लस कैपिटल, बिकॉज फॉर एवरी डेबिट देयर विल बी एन credit of equal amount that can be in a single account or in multiple accounts. So these were the two basic principles that we'll also use in our accounting policies. One was historical cost, which says that you have to record the asset at the cost at which you have purchased, that is the historical cost. You will not get affected by the market value. And the second one is dual aspect principle, which states for every transaction there will be two effects, one debit and one credit. If one account has been debited, there must be some other account which will be credited by the same amount. So this is it for today's video. In the next video we will discuss further more principles that affects the business transactions. Till then, take care and have a great day.